Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Keka HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in keka.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Keka website. In order to log into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. You can also log in using your Microsoft or Google account by clicking on the respective buttons. After entering your email or your mobile number, you can click on the continue button. And if you click on Keka username, you will be asked to enter your company domain name first. So type in your company domain name at the top section and then enter your username within the username box. You can then type in your account password within the password section and then enter the captcha code that you see underneath. After entering all of these information, you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on other login options and then use either your Google or your Microsoft account or use your phone or email to log in without your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Keka HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.